Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Looking at Facebook on the daily and weekly time frame, bulls still showing up, higher lows and higher highs, but this 10-day moving average resistance rejecting the price the past 2 days. It's currently at 118.73. The bulls did close above that middle Bollinger Band of 118.34, so that's a good sign for the bulls. But we can see we're still clearly seeing some lower highs here, and the bulls are going to have to break this little double top, 119.44, 119.43, to be convincing that we're going to head back towards the all-time high. So key support is the low we hit yesterday, 117.27. I will be much more of a believer in the bulls if we break that 119.44 level. And the fact that we've been consolidating for these 2 weeks while the markets are continuing to rage higher is a sign that there is disconnect between the S&P 500 and Facebook. So want to be aware of that fact and watching very closely. The bulls are going to need to see volume show up. The weekly time frame is a bearish candlestick. It's an indecision doji. We've seen green to red to green to red the past 4 weeks. So if we see a red week following this doji, we will be looking to test the 10-week moving average of 116.15 and then that 115.84 level I keep pointing out, which is the low after the gap up, and we have a double bottom at that level. So still a tight range. Bulls showing some potential here, but still not proving enough to me that we're going to see some all-time highs. You would think that with the S&P 500 showing this much strength, that Facebook would easily be setting all-time highs like Amazon had been before this week. Amazon was setting all-time high after all-time high day after day with that bullish market. Facebook still consolidating. So we are still setting higher lows here, lower highs, tightening range on decreasing volume. A break is imminent and if likely going to happen next week, and we will be watching closely. So that is the rundown for Facebook. No clear direction right now, I guess because the overall trend is bullish and the markets are bullish. That would have you leaning on a bullish break of this trend. But again, 119.44, write that level down. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.